Welcome to our Britannia bakery. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how your favorite bread and buns are made. Be sure to subscribe.
In the flour quality laboratory, technicians perform comprehensive testing on incoming flour shipments.
Hakio de step guy chop up. But schon Einstein French septimia be that de awesome goss.
The sugar storage area receives bulk deliveries of refined sugar, essential for bread flavor and browning.
Tanker trucks deliver food-grade vegetable oil and specialty fats that contribute to bread softness and shelf life. Pallets of food-grade salt arrive in sealed bags for precise flavor contribution and dough strengthening. Water, the most abundant bread ingredient, undergoes treatment to ensure consistent quality. Municipal water enters the treatment system.
Every ingredient must meet our strict standards before production begins, from premium wheat flour to fresh active.
Misher. The automated flour dispensing system delivers precise quantities to each mixer. Flour flows.
Precise water temperature control is critical for dough development.
Fresh compressed yeast is prepared for mixing. Workers break yeast blocks into smaller pieces, weighing precise quantities.
Thus, sugar provides food for yeast and contributes to browning. Salt strengthens gluten and controls fermentation. For high-volume production, continuous mixing systems operate alongside batch mixers. Ingredients are applers. After initial mixing, dough rests during a conditioning phase, allowing gluten to relax. The dough travels slow. Samples are assessed for texture, elasticity, and proper development. pH meters verify fermentation progress.
Through careful mixing and development, our dough has achieved the perfect texture and structure. Now it enters the form. The high-speed volumetric divider portions bulk dough into precise individual pieces.
Divided dough pieces enter the rounder, a machine that transforms rough-cut chunks into smooth balls.
Rounded dough pieces enter the intermediate proofer, an overhead conveyor system that allows dough to rest and relax. Relaxed dough pieces enter the molder for final shaping into sandwich loaves. First, sheeting rollers flatten the dough.
The automated bread pan handling system manages thousands of pans continuously. Bread pans pass through the automatic greasing station, ensuring clean release after baking. Loaded bread pans enter the massive final proofer, a critical chamber where dough undergoes its final rise before baking.
Technicians continuously monitor proofing conditions. Digital sensors track temperature and humidity. Proofing time is carefully controlled.
Swiftly. For specialty bread varieties, automated scoring machines create decorative cuts in the proof dough surface.
Final topping application occurs just before baking. Egg wash sprayers apply a thin coating for golden color on enriched breads.
Fully risen and perfectly shaped, our bread now enters the oven, where heat transforms soft. The journey through heat begins.
Inside the oven's first zone, oven spring occurs, the rapid initial expansion of bread.
Steam injection systems in early oven zones enhance bread quality. Steam jets introduce humidity.
Bread travels through multiple temperature zones, each serving a specific purpose. Zone 1, 200 degrees.
Sensors monitor internal bread temperature to verify complete baking. Target internal temperature of 96 degrees Celsius.
Fresh bread enters the cooling tower, a massive spiral conveyor system where loaves travel upward through multiple levels over 60 to 90 minutes. The cooling environment is carefully controlled to preserve bread quality. Air filtration prevents contamination. We verify the internal temperature has reached its target, below 35 degrees Celsius. Smaller products like these buns require less cooling time. They travel through shorter spiral coolers or flat belt conveyors with ambient air. Perfectly baked and properly cooled, our Britannia bread is now ready for slicing and packaging. The final steps. High-speed bread slicing machines transform whole loaves. Servo-controlled blades cut simultaneously, producing uniform slices. Quality verification stations check sliced bread for consistency. Vision systems verify slice count and uniformity. Loaded bags pass through sealing stations that preserve freshness. Heat sealers or clip closures secure the bag. Order picking stations assemble individual store orders from production output. Digital pick lists guide workers to select specific quantities of each product variety. Loaded Britannia delivery trucks depart the bakery for retail destinations. Multiple trucks leave at staggered intervals throughout the day. This simple purchase represents the completion of the production journey.
Here. From premium wheat flour and fresh yeast to the soft, delicious bread that nourishes families across India. And that's how your favorite Britannia bread and buns are made. Every loaf represents our commitment to quality,